Welcome. If you're looking to make your Discord mobile experience even smoother, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the right edge gesture in Discord mobile, with all the latest updates in mind. Whether you're a seasoned Discord user or just getting started, this quick guide will help you unlock a handy shortcut that makes navigating the app a breeze. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight into your user settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here you'll see a bunch of options, but what we're looking for is Advanced. Tap on Advanced to open up a new menu with some more technical features. Inside the Advanced settings, keep an eye out for the section called LaunchPad. This is where Discord hides some of its most useful shortcuts and gestures. Under the LaunchPad section, you'll see an option called Right Edge Gesture. Tap on it to bring up the available choices. Now, you can customize what happens when you swipe in from the right edge of your screen while using Discord. Depending on your preferences, you might use this gesture to quickly access your servers, open up your friends list, or jump to a specific feature. Simply select your preferred action from the list, and Discord will remember your choice. And that's it. You've just enabled and customized the right edge gesture on Discord mobile. With this feature set up, you'll be able to navigate the app faster and more efficiently than ever before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.